I've been thinking about where is my free space because I have less apps installed and how to delete the unnecessary hidden files on Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. Just need to go to search menu and type storage settings. Click on open it and you just need to wait for this list to loads up. So only the things they are using 767 GB. The documents has 318 GB and installed apps 213 GB and temporary files has 123 GB and here is the video files 44 GB. I doesn't have video files guys, but something is in here. So clicking on it and select view videos and I'll be testing out all these like testing like this properties and there is nothing in here and just like testing this. Here is the 44 GB and here is, and now just double click on the folder. Here all the videos I doesn't need, so I'm deleting all and boom, there is 40 GB cleanup. And now again go back to storage and select show more categories. Just need to wait for this to loads up. After the load done, and now as you can see, still now I have 44 GB in videos. To clean that, that is in the recycle bin. So emptying the recycle bin. Now coming back to here, go back to storage and again show more categories. And now as you can see, videos has 20 MB. Yes. So this way you can find a specific folder and delete whatever you doesn't need. In my case, lots of files I have downloaded like game files, guys. So the downloads has lots of space. So after I need that downloads, but the recycle bin I doesn't need. So other things checked and select remove files and select continue. So you can see I cleared up lots of space now. And going back here, reload. As you can see, 235 GB of space. And this way you can find and delete the unnecessary things on your PC, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.